बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Yes, students, as you know, we are revising the double letter phonograms from IPR 2 in detail. We are focusing on sound numbers and we are improving our reading also. So it's our revisionary session. Now we are going to revise the previous learned phonograms and then we will start our today's lesson. So let's start revision. Sh as in fish, E as in tree, Z, Ao, O, U, A, U, J, K, Sh, R as in car, A as in day, A as in paint, O as in boy, Oi as in oil, as in her, as in first. Okay, so these are the phonograms we had done in detail from IPR 2. Okay, ये phonograms हमने IPR 2 से detail में किए हैं. Now we are moving forward towards our today's lesson, and our today's lesson is based on the phonogram as in nurse. What is the sound of this phonogram? As in nurse. Once again, as in nurse. So first of all, let's have a look for some of the examples related to this phonogram and then we will start our today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, you can see the words having as in nurse phonogram. First of all, we will read the words and then we will try to guess the sound number. Okay, so let's start reading with me. Fur, burn, hurt, turn, nurse. So, my dear students, in this way words will be given in your paper. You will underline the phonogram. Can you guess the phonogram in all the words? Double letter phonogram? Yes. As in nurse, as in burn, as in turn. Like this you will underline the phonogram and then you will write sound number, and in all the given words we have sound number 1 because this phonogram has sound number 1. It has only one sound, that's why we will write sound number 1. In this way you will solve this question of sound number and you will complete your work. Clear, students? Now let's start the reading from IPR 2. Okay, my dear students, we have turned our pages towards as in nurse phonogram and now we are going to read the sentences. Let's start reading with me. We have turtles in the pond. We have turtles in the pond. Look at the picture. There are a lot of turtles. Turtles mean tortoise. It's an animal. Okay? Water animal. Next one. Turn off the lights before sleeping. Turn off the lights before sleeping. Look at the picture carefully. Next one. Cats have fur to keep them warm. Cats have fur to keep them warm. Fur means soft and small hair on animal's body. Okay, small soft hair is called fur. Okay, students, so you will read the given sentences 5 times. Now come towards next one. Next one. I hurt my arm. I hurt my arm. Look at the picture carefully. Hurt. Hurt means feeling pain. Next one. The doctor called the nurse. The doctor called the nurse. Look at the picture carefully. Nurse that treats the patients at hospital. Okay students, so the phonogram written with red color presents sound number 1. Okay students, now come towards next page reading. Okay my dear students, the topic that we are going to read from page number 50 is time to turn around. Once again, time to turn around. Around mean surrounds the circle. Okay, around, चारों तरफ. Now let's start reading. Okay my dear students, let's start reading. It's my turn to turn around and round. I love to turn around. I love to turn and turn around. Okay my dear students, in this way you will read the given sentences and turn, as in turn. Sound number 1. Now let's start solving worksheet related to this phonogram. Dear practice students, you will mark today's date here. It's worksheet for the phonogram as in nurse. Let's start reading the words given in the box. Look at this picture. Curly hair. Look at the picture carefully. Burn. And the last one, purse. Is it okay students? Now what we are going to do, write the missing words. Let's start reading the words given in the box. Curly, turn, purse, fur. Now let's start reading the blanks. Dash is soft to touch. Choose a word from this bracket. Very good. Fur is soft to touch. As you know, fur is our soft hair on animal's body. और आप fur की jackets भी होती हैं जो आप लोग पहनते हो, ठीक है? Soft jackets जिस पे soft आपको hair feel हो रहे होते हैं. Soft hair are called fur. Next one, dash the page. Very good. Turn the page. This picture. Next one, I have some coins in the dash. In the purse. Look at the picture. And the last one, Ali has dash hair. Curly hair. Curly, you will choose from here and you write here. Okay, in this way you will solve this activity. Now let me show you how you will write here. Okay my dear students, in this way you will solve this activity, and first letter will be capital of fur and turn because you are writing at the start of the sentence, so it will be written in capital letter. Okay, now come towards next activity. Okay students, now it's activity B, and what we are going to do in this activity, answer the riddle. Okay my dear students, riddles are surprise questions. Answer the riddles. Riddles mean surprise questions. So let's check which type of surprise questions we are going to have, and the answers should be in the as in nurse phonogram. Clear? It is a color. Look at the picture. Color name. Very good. Purple. It is a color. Purple. It is a purple vegetable. Look at the picture. Very good. Turnip. As in turnip. She takes care of us in the hospital. Look at the picture. Nurse. Very good. And the last one, when someone falls down, he is dash. Hurt. Very good. Now we are going to write the answers here. Okay my dear students, in this way you will solve this activity and your writing should be neat and clean. Now come towards the last activity. Read, match and write the words. We will read the words and then we will match the similar words. Okay. First one, injured. Return. Survive. Hurdle. We will match the similar words and then we will write here 2 times. Once again read the words. Injured, return, survive and the last one, hurdle. Now we are going to do matching. Okay my dear students, in this way you will solve this activity. You will do matching and you will write here 2 times. You will read the page number 49 and 53 times, plus you will solve these activities or solve all the activities. We will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.